About a Kampal ground. Now because the rains have set in, the problem becomes visible. Kampal ground, when the government decided to construct a football stadium, because this was the whole promise of the government of that time also, that when this earlier ground was demolished for the first TIFI, a suitable ground would be built. And then the file was moved recently through the urban development department, and the government accepted that. Now the biggest challenge was what? The city corporation in the course of last so many years has used that ground to dump a lot of waste, garbage, and the quantity in my opinion was around 60,000 cubic meters. No ground could be built without removal of that. And the fact, and just before on the eve of monsoon, this exercise of screening and segregating the plastic waste and the mud started. I am told that about 20% work could be completed, and the garbage was in a compressed condition. As the JCBs tried to excavate, a lot of volume got generated there, and now that the rains have set in, it is difficult to work. In my opinion, the garbage is stable. The Pollution Control Board themselves have checked this garbage before the work has started. The garbage is stable in the sense there is no biodegradable content which can give foul odor or cause any problems. Visibly, yes, where visible, anybody will say that it is eyesore. Nevertheless, we have told them to cover it up, and as soon as the rains are little weak, then they will restart the work. That is the only way. This is a process of removal. It is not a process of addition of garbage. The garbage has been cleared substantially. It has been thrown a little bit on the side so that the building work, the piling work can start even in the monsoons. And piling work should begin shortly. And with that piling work, also we have floated the third phase of the tender to construct that building, the civil work, and thereafter will be followed by the tender for the main surface of the ground.